Today, we're diving into a remarkable project by BrightView Landscaping that transformed the Florida Panthers Arena in Sunrise, Florida, a testament to our commitment to excellence. Imagine a canvas of possibilities. We provided the Florida Panthers Arena with several renderings, allowing the client to choose their vision. Once the renderings were selected, BrightView seamlessly executed the landscape install, working diligently from tunnel to tunnel. But here's the twist. The berm wasn't just any landscape. We used Florida-friendly plants, creating a green oasis that perfectly complements the surroundings. The challenge didn't stop there. BrightView took on the responsibility of manufacturing and installing the Publix Plaza planters, wrapping them with precision and handling all landscaping and irrigation aspects of the job. The Publix Plaza, a colossal team effort, brought together several managers and departments. From design to manufacturing, installation, and completing the landscape installation, BrightView tackled it all. The challenge lies in the unique design of aluminum planters, crafted from scratch by our in-house team based on developed specs. Why does this matter? BrightView was put on a time frame to meet the deadline before opening day. And you know what? We delivered as promised. Despite its complexity, the Publix Plaza took us just 4 weeks, a testament to our ability to overcome challenges and bring visions to life. In the end, the result was nothing short of spectacular. The Publix Plaza turned out exactly like the Florida Panthers rendering. It's not just a landscape, it's a work of art, a collaboration of skill, creativity, and determination. BrightView Landscape, where visions come to life and challenges are embraced. Join us in transforming spaces and creating landscapes that leave a lasting impression.